Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage here in Ross. This is our latest arrival, 2014, on a 64 plate. Ford Fiesta Titanium X model, 1 litre EcoBoost engine, 5 doors, finished in frozen white. It's covered just 45,000 miles. And we'll have a good look round. Two former keepers. So 3 owners from new. It's covered 45,000 miles, like I say. Comes with a 5 stamp service history, all documented in the book. Frozen white, it's the colour everybody wants. Now we have carried out quite a bit of prep on this car when it came in. As you can see from the tyres, they are new. The car has been treated to 4 brand new tyres, and you may also be able to see through it. The front brake discs and the front pads are new as well. So it's had 4 tyres, front brake pads and discs, a service, an MOT, or it will have a fresh MOT for the new buyer. And more importantly than all of that, we have just fitted a brand new clutch to the car. So it's been treated royally, it's ready to go. Parking sensors on the rear. Looks very well indeed. No road tax to pay, so free tax. My number plate's fallen off, but no matter, we shall carry on. Titanium X model, so it's the top of the range. We'll have a good look inside. Half leather seats, very little signs of wear at all. Nice half leather. There's the boss, just jumping in on Friday evening. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, they are power folding. Automatic lights, and it's keyless start. There are 2 remote keys for the car. And as we move to the steering wheel, you have cruise control. And on the other side of the steering wheel, controls for the Bluetooth and also volume controls for the radio. So below the handbrake, 12 volt AUX USB, 5-speed manual gearbox, and being the X model, it does have heated seats, so not only are they half leather, they're heated as well. Start stop, of course, climate control, and it does have the famous Ford heated front screen. We'll start the car up. Push button start over here. Foot on the brake and the clutch.
Alright, we've been asking you.
There we go, 45,256 is the mileage. 3-cylinder engine. Radio CD, AUX, and Bluetooth, of course. Typical Ford setup, very nice. Lots of shiny black, silver. They do make them to look very nice these days, especially in the higher spec models. Into the rear. Again, extremely tidy, it's got its carpet mats in the back. ISOFIX points for the child seats. Electric windows in the rear too. It does also have, which I forgot to show you on the inside, a reversing camera. So nice touch. Parking sensors and a reversing camera. There are no excuses for biffing the car while you're parking. Good sized boot. Inflation kit, we keep them upstairs now because they keep getting stolen, so that will come with the car. And there we have it, 2014 on a 64 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium X, EcoBoost engine, 5 doors, finished in frozen white, 45,000 miles with a 5-stamp service history. The car will come with 12 months MOT as mentioned. We have serviced the car, it's had a new clutch, 4 tyres, front pads and discs, the kitchen sink, it's ready to go. Will come with our standard 6-month in-house warranty. Finance is available from around £38 a week depending on deposits. The car is priced at £7,850. It's the right colour, treat yourself. We are working on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and see the car, please do get in touch. Our telephone number's 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number and the like, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. I wish you a very happy weekend. Thanks a lot.